Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to scan documents using Notes application on your iPhone. So first of all, let's open Notes application on your device, and then you want to select existing note, or you can create new one by tapping this button in the bottom right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do is tap this icon, and from the list of options select Scan Documents. Actually, I don't have any documents here, but I have this card that I can scan as well. So you want to place your document in view of your camera, and if your device is in auto mode, it will automatically scan your document, and if not, then you have to just tap this button in order to take picture. As well, you can turn on the flash. So let me show you. Okay, and as well, you can drag the corners to adjust the scan to fit the page, for example, if it's needed. So simply like this, and now let's tap Keep in the top right to save your scan. So you can review your scanned documents, and as well from here you can adjust them, you can set some filters, you can rotate, or you can simply delete this page if it's unneeded. Okay, so now you want to tap this check mark in the top right in order to insert this scan. This will be PDF file into your note. Okay, so now if you want to save it to your files, then all you want to do is tap on the name of the document, and let's select option Save to Files, and then tap Save in order to save it to your files, and later you will find this scanned document in your Files application, or simply you can share it with someone, but it will be shared as notes from Notes application. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.